Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State toppers for NEET and JEE Main 2024, both produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 and repeaters medical batch for NEET 2025. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
Goa is naturally beautiful. Goa is blessed with natural resources. But in last 10 years, I have seen world-class infrastructure in Goa. How much Prime Minister Modi ji has supported Goa, and for that matter, every part of the country. But today, since I am in Goa to talk about budget, ये जो बजट है 2024-25 का बजट है, ये बजट विकसित भारत to make India fully developed country by 2047, उस विकसित भारत का फाउंडेशन ले किया है इस बार का बजट फॉर विकसित भारत. To make India the third largest economy in the world, without any doubt, emerge as the most attractive tourist destinations in the country. As I said earlier, Goa is always beautiful, but you need infrastructure. Not only the most attractive tourist destination, but a destination with world-class infrastructures and other facilities. The fishing industry, the production of shrimp for export, for local consumption, Goa will become one of the most leading manufacturing hub, not only for small items, but many other important high definition items. Goa will become important exporting, producing hub of our nation. I sometimes would like to thank God also that BJP government came to power in Goa and took all necessary steps which were necessary for sustaining Goa's development. Otherwise, Goa would have collapsed if Congress had continued.